The struggle is real, folks. Are you tired of paying outrageous electricity bills? Do you dream of harnessing the power of wind to fuel your home? N, well, I've got some good news and bad news for you. N, but here's what surprised me: Dyna-Living 400W Wind Turbine N for the best price. Click the link in the description. Let's face it, renewable energy is all the rage these days. And why not? It's like having your own personal superhero, saving the planet one spin at a time. N, but there's a catch: most wind turbines on the market are either too expensive or just plain inefficient. N, therefore, I'm about to reveal a game changer that might just blow, pun intended, the competition out of the water. N, the Dyna-Living 400W Wind Turbine. N for the best price. Click the link in the description. So what makes this little guy tick? N, according to Dyna-Living's website, this baby boasts a whopping 400 watts of power and can generate up to 1.5 kilowatt-hours per day. N, now I know what you're thinking. That sounds like a lot of juice. N, but here's the thing. It's not just about the numbers. It's about how efficiently it converts wind energy into usable electricity. N, the secret sauce, if you will. N, therefore, let's dive deeper into what makes Dyna-Living 400W Wind Turbine tick. Deep dive, next 1800 words. N, we all know that a good wind turbine needs to have some serious specs under the hood. And trust me, this one doesn't disappoint. N, the 400W model features a sleek and sturdy design with a hub diameter of 2.5 meters and a rotor span of 3.5 meters. N, this bad boy can handle winds as low as 3 meters per second and as high as 25 meters per second. N, not to mention, it's designed with safety in mind, featuring an automatic shutoff system that kicks in during strong gusts. N, but what about maintenance? Peasy lemon squeezy. The Dyna-Living team claims this turbine is a breeze, again, sorry, to install and maintain, requiring minimal upkeep. N, the icing on the cake. It's totally silent operation. N, no more annoying whirring sounds ruining your peaceful evening strolls. N, therefore, let's talk about some of the other key features that set Dyna-Living 400W Wind Turbine apart from its competitors. Mini promise beat. N, we'll get to that in just a minute. But first, let me ask you, are you tired of relying on the grid for your power needs? You want to be part of the green energy revolution? N, the Dyna-Living 400W Wind Turbine might just be what the doctor ordered. N, for the best price. Click the link in the description. Resolution, final 500 words. N, so there you have it, a comprehensive review of the Dyna-Living 400W Wind Turbine. N, but before we wrap up, I want to leave you with some final thoughts. N, this baby is not just a gimmick, it's a serious player in the world of renewable energy. N, with its robust specs and user-friendly design, it's an excellent choice for anyone looking to dip their toes into wind power. N, of course, there are still some pros and cons to consider. N, the initial investment might be steep, but think about all that money you'll save on electricity bills down the line. N, the long-term benefits far outweigh any upfront costs. N, therefore, I highly recommend checking out this little gem for yourself. N, for the best price. Click the link in the description. N, happy shopping, and let's make some wind-generated waves.